Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, OMNIACS from across the globe. Thank you for tuning in. I will not take much of your time. This is for an announcement. A very exciting thing has happened. International OMNIACS are now allowed to travel into the U.S. for OMNI CAMP starting November 8th. Give me that piece of paper, sir. Verbatim, right from the press. The White House has said Friday it would allow international travelers who are fully vaccinated against COVID-19 into the U.S. starting November 8th, lifting a ban on visitors from the European Union, UK, and other countries. Hooray! That is fantastic news. So what I've done, I had an OMNI camp, basically that was going to happen in the beginning, or I should say the end of October, beginning of November. I'm going to push it back a couple of weeks to give you OMNIACS a chance to fill out your applications due to the overwhelming demand from my European international OMNIACS, and not just from Europe, they're from all over. I'll fulfill your request, and I will postpone it for 2 weeks so that you can fill out your OMNI Camp applications. Go to OMNIBOOTCAMP.com, fill them out now. Listen, who knows what the hell excuse they're going to use to shut us down again, right? While the window is open, fill out those apps, come out and see me. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com. Traders, if you're serious, come out to Vegas, fill out those applications at OMNIBOOTCAMP.com. Now, if you'd like to be even slightly convinced, take a look at what the OMNI campers say when they come to OMNI Camp. Check out these videos, and I will see you all Sunday night.
I got much more than that. I got, Oscar filled in the parts where I was lacking and the parts where, the things that I was missing, and really kind of pulled together the gaps in my own knowledge and the gaps in my own trading and the difference between success and failure. And Oscar was able to help me see that, figure it out, and fix it.
Well, I would recommend it because I think that anyone that comes and spends the 4 or 5 days with Oscar would be able to go back home and be a better trader.
I did the same thing you're wondering, like, should I make that investment of time? And believe me, it's well worth it. I've been watching Oscar off and on since 2009. Really in the last year, I've started following every day, and you see how successful he is. Make that jump, man. It is well worth your time and money. And it's not just this camp. I know that from here throughout, Oscar is always going to be there to help me. He's a great guy, honestly.
Yes, my expectations were met. Well, my expectations were ignorant. So I forgive myself for not knowing, because I'm not a professional. So some of the things, well, maybe he'll teach me how to use Fibonacci's, or he'll teach me how to use whatever. Let's keep it simple, kid. So my expectation was to understand the nuts and bolts of trading. How does this work? What I got was, oh my goodness, package it down, quiet it down, make it simple, reproducible, make a system so I'm not worrying about my trades. I'm placing my trades. Done.